WA73, the Warm Audio WA73 with the Royer R10 ribbon mic on a session today with Bertha Moreno. And in a minute, I'm going to let you hear, actually they're talking. This is what a band sounds like when they're... This is live as it's going down. False start from the band. The Royer R10 sounds absolutely awesome on the with the WA73 rather. I'm using it today. There's that right there. Tenor saxophone right here. Yeah, you can see. Royer R10. Kissing it with a little bit of compression with the 166. You can see it's barely moving. Bass 163. So overall, it's been a good session so far. All right.